Now, good morning, grade ones. Once again, this is our science lesson today, and we are going to start our learning our lesson with this topic called foods. Our topic today, again, I repeat, it is called foods. Now, on this topic, our sub or small title on that topic would be foods that are bad for our teeth. We are looking at the foods that are bad for our teeth. We have a few examples, or maybe many examples. I have just written for you just a few of them, but there are several examples of foods that are not good for our teeth, and they are as follows: cakes, sodas, chocolates, ice cream, sweets, biscuits. These are just a few. You know many others that we eat in our locality that are quite harmful to our teeth. This type of foods should be eaten in very small quantities. They should be eaten in very small quantities. Small quantities means that we shouldn't eat too much of them, because when we do this, we actually get to spoil our teeth. When we do this, we actually get to spoil our teeth. After eating these types of foods, we should remember to brush our teeth. We should remember to brush our teeth. And what do we normally use for brushing our teeth anyway? We use water, we use toothpaste, and we use a toothbrush. What would happen if you actually don't have the toothpaste? You can use maybe salt to brush your teeth. Just a little salt will also remove the food particles and will also kill the germs that are able to make our teeth grow bad. And also remember to use a chewing stick if you don't have any toothbrush. In those places, or in a situation that you actually don't have a toothbrush, you can use what we call a chewed stick. All this will help us to make our teeth stay strong and always healthy. When we actually do this, we reduce all the food particles that have been stuck into our mouth, and then we kill the germs when we brush our teeth, and we would have the good breath because of brushing our teeth. Now, to end up our science lesson, we would like to look at other questions or homework that I have to give to you by the end of today. Please remember to do it, and the homework comes from a few questions that I have written for you here. And let us begin by just asking ourselves and be able to answer them. This should be the question number 1, goes like this: name 6 foods that spoil our teeth. Name 6 foods that spoil our teeth. That is question number 1. Question number 2 is list the things used to brush our teeth. List the things used to brush our teeth. Question number 3, staying without brushing our teeth makes us have dash breath. Staying without brushing our teeth makes us have dash breath. And then question number 4, mouth that is not brushed would smell dash. Mouth that is not brushed will smell dash. Question number 5, we should brush at least dash times in a day. How many times should you brush your teeth? Please be able to write your answers in your science homework books, and remember to finish your homework as you enjoy your holiday. Bye for now, and see you again in our next science lesson.